See Universal City, Taylor, Fernie, Honda.
Southeastern Llano County, Central Guadalupe County, Burnett County, Hayes County, Northwestern Caldwell County, Travis County, Medina County, Comal County, Kendall County, Blanco County, Southeastern Uvalde County, Eastern Bandera County, Bear County, Williamson County, Southeastern Kerr County, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Lake Victor to near Guadalupe River State Park to near Pipe Creek to Quijita, 9 miles southeast of Sapinal, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 17 miles per hour wind gusts and any-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include San Antonio, Austin, Round Rock, New Braunfels, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Pflugerville, San Marcos, Seguin, Universal City, Taylor, Fernie, Hondo, Kingsland, Marble Falls, Vernon, Castroville, Comfort, Wimberley, and Dripping Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. These thunderstorms are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter, such as an interior room, a bathroom or closet or basement. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and